Alright, so little Pinky here, she's had a whole bunch of upgrades and got a little facelift. She's getting a little bit old, so before I put her on the road this year, I decided to do a bunch of work. And she got a bunch of good stuff done. She got an oil change done, got some nice synthetic oil, and what else did we do? Oh, wiring harness repairs. Has some really, really bright halogen bulbs in there, which fried the wiring, so I don't recommend doing that. But they look really good though, and they're really bright. And oh yeah, I got some new tires, some new Dunlop tires. One of them's on, the other one is going to be put on momentarily, so stand by for that. And valve check clearance, so all kinds of good stuff. So anyways, now I'm going to put new brake pads on the brake calipers. These are the old ones. Clearly they look disgusting. And they kind of look disgusting because one of my fork seals blew, so it was leaking fork oil all over my brakes, which is not awesome. Because when speed micro goes fast and there's oil on the brakes, speed micro can't slow down, so can't have that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these, put these brake pads on. So, this guy over here. Woo! Whoa. Slippery little bugger. Alright, so it's going to slide these guys in here. I really like knowing how mechanics works and how things are put together. I'm very lucky because I have a friend who's a mechanical genius, so I'm learning all kinds of fun stuff. But this I've done before many years ago. It's time to do it again. Just gonna slide this pin in here. Hopefully, it's not working. Awesome. And I'm gonna take this little pin here. Put this pin in here and secure everything in place. Such a good song. This is the new Sander Van Doorn, I believe. Nothing Inside. My new favorite song. Alright, so that looks good. Yay! New brake pads. So now I can go real fast again. Don't tell my mom. My mom doesn't like it. Hi, Mom. Alright, so there we go. Cool. So now, put the tire on so we can get this baby back on the road. See ya! Alright, so the tire's on. Couldn't really film that because we had two people to put the tire on and a third person to do the video recording, and I don't have a third person. So, now I'm going to torque the wheel nut and make sure this baby's on here good and tight before we go ripping around very slowly on the streets of Vancouver. So here we go. One, two. That's good. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Okay, so now it's time to put my brake caliper onto the front rotor and the fork. And then I will have my brakes back, all fresh and new. Oh. Hopefully I won't break it. Alright, that's one. Oh, there's pretty good. I think I might be doing it right. I hope I'm doing it right. Ones are too big. There we go. Cool. So now I'm just going to torque them, make sure they're all good to go. And then we're done with the brakes. Take this off now. One. There we go. Good stuff. So she's almost done. Gonna put on the fairings and put some coolant in there. And then we're almost ready to go back on the street.